It has officially been 4 days since I went to Turkey and got myself my second hair transplant. And I just want to take a moment to talk about how the recovery is going, because it's going a lot easier than I expected it to. Also, I know my shirt's wrinkly right now. I can't put on normal shirts right now because of my grafts and everything's in the laundry. So bear with me, brother. This is officially day 4, and at this point last year, I was extremely swollen from my first hair transplant. And this is as bad as it's gotten this time. This is the worst I've been swollen since getting it. And I assume this is as bad as it's going to get this time. And yes, I'm swollen right now, but last year, I was really swollen. So I think it's a combination of the fact that I got stem cell therapy this year, and I got the DHI implantation method for this transplant, which basically means they use a little pen that makes the incision smaller, and it heals much quicker, supposedly. So I'm definitely seeing the results of that. Also, I had to wear this headband for the first 10 days last year, and they told me I could cut it off on day 3, and it's day 4. So that means, let's get rid of this thing. Let's do it. I'm done. Let's get rid of this thing. Ugh. I'm gonna cut myself open. No more headband. I do kind of look like Megamind right now, though. I am pretty swollen. But I'm feeling good, man, and if you look very closely, you could see my first transplant hair is all next to the new grafts, and I'm super excited, man. They did the crown as well. Let me show you guys the donor area. Yes, I'm swollen right now, but nowhere near as bad as I was last year, so I'm really not that mad. The donor area is already healing up nice. You're not even going to be able to tell anything's missing when it's fully healed up. And I can't wait to just laugh in everyone's face that was in my comments telling me I was over-harvested after my first transplant. And now I'm going to be done with my second transplant and still not look over-harvested. Ha, ha, ha. I'm looking at you, you fake educated TikTok commenters. Sometimes, not everybody, just some people. The only thing you could tell me that would make a lot of sense is to iron my shirt because, geez, I'm looking at this in the camera right now. This is bad. Just bear with me here. But yeah, man, I'm feeling good. I'm healing up every day, and every day gets easier. I've really only had one real bad night, and that was last night. For some reason, man, my sleep last night was so bad. I woke up at like 2:30 a.m. and just did not fall asleep again. It was rough. But that's what you got to expect when you're going through this recovery. It's only really the first couple days that suck. After that, I will be all good. And I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. It looks good. And, obviously, it's going to be a long process now. I'm going to be pretty bald all summer once the shot gloss hits. But in around 6 months, I think the results for this transplant will come in slightly quicker just because my shot gloss will end and the results for my other transplant will spark up again, and then this one will start. So all in all, over the course of the next year and a half, I will see a bunch of results. And God forbid if I need it, I will get SMP next year too, but I don't know. We'll see how I feel next year, but I'm really excited and I think we're going to have a good result. But thank you guys for all the support. I'm recovering well, and when you see this video, I'll even be farther along in my recovery in real time, because to put it into perspective, the day I'm filming this video is the day I'm about to edit and upload day 1 of me in Turkey. So if you go back and look whenever that uploaded, that's the day that I'm filming this. So in real time, I'm farther along in my recovery. So I promise you, by then, I bet I'm 10 times better too. I love you all so much. I'll see you soon. Thank you for all the support.